In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a vocal reverb bus in Cakewalk next. Now to do this, first you want to create the reverb bus by clicking on this plus button top left, and of course you want to click on create a new track, and you want to go and hit the bus button. Now when you do this, it's going to create a new bus. Of course you can go and rename it, so I'm just going to double click the name, and I'm going to name this reverb bus, okay? Just like this. I'm going to press enter, and there we go. This part is now done. Now from here, you want to open up the plugins pane, so you can either go ahead and double click over here, or you could just go to view and then click on show track plugins, or press F3 on your keyboard. From down here at the bottom, you then have to go and click on the plus button, and then you want to go and find a reverb plugin. So I'm going to go and type in reverb. There's going to be a bunch of different ones. I'm just going to use this univerb over here. I'm going to double click it, and then from here, what you want to do is set the reverb plugins mix or wet/dry control to 100% wet. So I'm actually going to go and make it like this. There we go. So it's 100% wet and 0% dry. So it only outputs the effect signal, okay? Now, whenever you've done this, you're basically pretty much done. So what you now want to do is actually click on the vocal track header. So for example, I'm going to use this vocal track over here. And then you want to go and open the sidebar on the right, and you want to go to inspect. From here, you want to find the send section, which is over here, and click on the plus icon. Now, when you do this, you want to pick your reverb bus. So as you can see here, I have this 2 reverb bus. I'm just going to click on it, and then you can of course go and click and drag up or down this knob over here, the send level knob, and what this is going to do is basically change how much of the vocal signal goes into the reverb. So if I play this like that for you, you'll hear what happens. This is just some sample audio. There we go. I can of course change this as well, how much it goes. This is just some sample audio. There we go. And if I go to the max, for example, this is just some sample audio. We're going. Okay, so we get the point. That's how to create a vocal reverb bus. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.